Scratch Cat. Do you why I fail you?
Why?
Is because you late for examine it over.
Because I was got trouble my spike and hurt me so.
I don't want to hear it. No this time. You will study for test tomorrow. Now you. Oh I have to go to bathroom. I'll be right back.
Wait, what is this toy?
It Lego Mario. Do not touch it.
Well, I will try it. I wonder when I turn on.
Lego Mario time!
Oh, wow, it turn on. I wonder when I play it.
Alright I back.
Oh no. I have to turn off or he will know I was play with this toy.
See you later!
Alright now what I sing? Aw come on. The school end? Whatever. Go home now and do your homework.
Oh man. I want to play Lego Mario so bad. Oh, I know. I will order online.
Later.
Wow. I got Lego Mario. Let me turn on.
Lego Mario time!
Wow. I wonder I use Lego Mario as Google. Hey Lego Mario. What 1 plus 1? Hello? Okay, I will use Scratch Logit to make Lego Mario become Google. Okay Lego Mario. What is 1 plus 1?
It's a 2.
Wow. It worked. I will bring Lego Mario to school to cheat on test.
Later go to school. Okay class today we will do a test. And if you fail Scratch Cat one more time, I will give you dentation. Anyways, let's start. No talking.
The good thing I have invisible headphones so I can only hear Lego Mario. Okay Lego Mario. What the buy?
It's 3.14,159,265,359.
Later. Stop the test. I will grade your test. Scratch Cat. How do you get AA plus on your test? Okay. Go home now.
Yay. I got A.
Stop right here, Scratch Cat.
What? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. Use me as a Google. And now, hear what that thing you done. First of all, you cheated the test by using it. You know, using the bell, please.
Okay.
Second of all, use a program by using a computer. Third of all, you destroy my set. And the worst thing of all, you steal this code. Come on, you know staring is at that. Anyways, and now, no more. It's time to end you.
Wait, what? Oh no. Oh no. No. Mario going to kill me. Wait. I remember I have water. Let me try it. No, never. I will turn off you. Oh no. I have to get out of here. Yay. Lego Evil Mario is destroyed. Now I will never ever buy Lego Mario again.
The end. Oh come on.